और आज का वर्चुअल टूर करते करते मैं आ गई हूँ बानेर एनेक्स में, दैट इज द बानेर महालुंगे रोड। और यहाँ पर कोहिनूर का आ रहा है एक ब्रांड न्यू प्रोजेक्ट विच इज गोइंग टू बी एन अमेजिंग प्रोजेक्ट, बिकॉज इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर देर आर गोइंग टू बी 25+ luxurious amenities which will include of course an swimming pool, a gymnasium, an open kids play area, a closed kids play area, and also a jogging track and multiple other such beautiful amenities like a yoga meditation center also. अब इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगी इसका लोकेशन। पहली बात तो ये that this is located hardly 10 minutes from the Bombay-Bangalore highway. Even from the Balewadi Stadium, it is just about 10 minutes. And because of that, the accessibility is very amazing because the metro line is also going to go right from here. And along with that, the Baner area, that is the most happening area, is very close by. Balewadi High Street, where you can go and chill with your family and kids, is going to be hardly 15 to 20 minutes drive from here. And also Phoenix Mall of the Millennium is very close by from here. ये तो हो गई लोकेशन की बात। आई एम श्योर आप कारपेट एरियाज के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि बानेर एनेक्स जैसे एरिया में कारपेट एरियाज कैसे होने चाहिए। Well, they have multiple variants in the 3 BHKs, 4 BHKs and the 4.5 BHKs. Let me tell you about the carpet areas. The 3 BHK premium starts from 1100 square feet and the price range would begin from 1.58 crore onwards. The 3 BHK luxury segment starts from 1300 square feet and the price range would be from 1.85 crore onwards. The 4 BHK premium starts from 2000 square feet and the pricing would be 2.85 crore onwards. The 4 BHK premium begins from 1600 square feet and the price range would be 2.35 crore onwards. The 4 BHK luxury segment begins from 2000 square feet and the price range would be 2.85 crore onwards. The 4.5 BHK begins from 2200 square feet onwards and the price range would be 2.23 crores onwards. The 4.5 BHK starts from 2300 square feet and the price range would be from 3.23 crore onwards. And now you want to know how can you come over here and see more details? Well, wait for it. I'm just going to tell you. At Property Cloud, we are a PropTech service जहाँ पे हम आपको करवाते हैं virtual site tours. So at Property Cloud, it is very simple to book your dream home. First things first, you need to click on the link that's mentioned below in the caption. And once you've done that, you will be directed to one of our salespersons who will then guide you on how to do it, but will also take you on physical site visits with a free pickup and drop service. Well, that is exactly what Property Cloud does. First of all, we will show you these virtual sites and then we will also take you for the physical site visit. अब इसी के साथ साथ हम वहाँ पर आपको कनेक्ट करवा देते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ, ताकि आपको कोई ब्रोकरेज ना भरनी पड़े और साथ ही साथ कोई एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस भी ना हो। और हम आपको देते हैं सबसे बेस्ट प्राइस इन द मार्केट, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज नो मिडिल मैन इन्वॉल्व। इसी के साथ साथ हम आपको देते हैं काफी सारे पेमेंट ऑप्शंस और बहुत सारे स्पॉट पेमेंट ऑफर्स भी। और this is not just present in Pune, we are also present across the globe, not just in India. So of course in India we are present in major cities like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Pune, Calcutta and many more. Along with that, we are also present globally in UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA and other countries as well. So for more details, all you need to do, as I said, is click on the link below and quickly subscribe to our channel ताकि ऐसे videos आप miss ना कर दें. Thank you so much.